welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. A few days ago I shared a tutorial on how to do the crinkle technique on applying ribbon to your Christmas tree, and so I asked at the end of the video if y'all would like to see me adding ornaments to my tree, and several people said they would. So I wanted to share first some of the things that I'm going to be adding to my Christmas tree. Most everything came from Dollar General or Dollar Tree. My daughter and I just stopped by Dollar General, and I picked up this cute little red truck sign for $3. I thought this was so cute, so I had plans to do a tutorial with this one, and it was $4. And then I found this cute snowman sign for $8. But my daughter, she is just going to show you on the table some of the ornaments and things that we are going to be adding to our Christmas tree. I want to show you this garland too. This was one of my favorites, and it was only $2. So give her just a second and she'll show you some of the ornaments before we actually put them on the Christmas tree. At the Christmas ornaments I got at Dollar General. They were all $1 each, so that is so wonderful. So this Decorate With Me is very budget friendly because y'all know I love good deals, and I try to keep everything reasonably priced on my YouTube channel. So I hope you enjoy what we're going to share. Now this is my first time ever doing a decorating my tree video, so you're gonna have to bear with me because this is something new for me. But what I like to do is I always start with my ribbon. And so we did this a few days ago, and this is called the crinkle method. And this is 4 inches in width, and this is 1.5. And I will link the tutorial at the bottom in the description box for you if you have not seen the ribbon tutorial. But I kind of wanted to go with the farmhouse theme this year. And so, like I said, we just stopped by Dollar General, and so I'm going to just randomly place the ornaments. Now, since this tree is a 7-foot slim, I didn't want to get too big of ornaments, so I tried to think about that when I was buying my ornaments, and I tried to get them all in the same color palette. And so I am just going to, look and see where I think that it needs something. And I have like 5 or so of the stars, or the metal. There's a star, a snowflake, and a Christmas tree. So I'm just going to try to space them out on my tree. And I think the best way will be for me to just stop talking and kind of let y'all watch. Okay, this is the package of garland that I purchased for $2, and I thought these would make pretty Christmas ornaments, and it's a lot cheaper to do it this way. So what I thought I would do is I am going to take and just cut these snowflakes right off the garland, and if you look, it has a hole right here, and so I am just going to grab an ornament holder and put it right through the little hole. And look, we have some adorable snowflake ornaments to add to the tree. I had several people to ask if I was going to add a bow to the top of my Christmas tree. So yes, I had to add a big bow to the top. And this ribbon does have wire, and I'm just going back and forth, trying to make the loops the same size on each side and just keeping it pinched tightly in my left hand. And you'll need some floral stem wire close by. And so this is a pretty big bow. You know, I love big bows, but I didn't want to go too big because my tree is only 7 foot tall and it is slim. And so I am just leaving a long tail when I started, and I'll leave a long tail at the end. And you can add more tails if you like to your bows, but I just kept this one simple since I already had ribbon on my tree. And I would like to know what you think so far. I am really impressed with Dollar General this year. I just cannot believe that those Christmas ornaments were only $1 each. My daughter said we only spent $20 on Christmas ornaments. So I want you to look at this tree in a minute and let me know. I mean, does it look like a $20 tree to you? I am so impressed. Like I said, I just love Dollar General. I tried to add the bow to the top of the tree myself, and I am like too short. I was struggling with it, so my daughter, she stood up there for me and she got it where it wouldn't fall off. But like I said, I am just short, so I usually don't put the bow on top of the tree, but I was just trying to for this video. So that's why it took me so long, because I was stretching, trying to do it myself. But just make sure you always fluff your loops of your bow, and then just kind of tuck in your streamers down your tree. And then I also added some picks to the top, not many because I couldn't hardly reach the top, so I'll have to get my husband to add a few more later. But I didn't, somehow the video didn't show up when I was editing it, so I did add a couple picks, and the picks came from Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it, and I just really think Dollar General has done a great job this Christmas. So let me know what you think, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and thank you guys that always watch and comment and share.